As a university student, now at a PhD level, I have navigated my fair share of essay assignments, each with its unique challenges and expectations. Over time, I have sharpened my essay writing skills and learned valuable strategies for constantly achieving A+ grades. Today, I want to share with you my step-by-step guide on how to write an A+ essay. My name is Lerato Kanumsa of All Things Academia, where we explore and explain all things in the academic world. If you are a university or a college student, then not only is this the perfect video for you, but this is the perfect channel for you because this channel and its content exists to help you navigate academia and give you tips how to boost your grades. So click the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I upload a video. This is the third video of the essay writing series, so be sure to check out the first and the second videos linked in the description down below. Now, let's get you started on how to write an essay, but not just any essay, but one that will get you an A+ grade. The first step in crafting an outstanding essay is to fully understand the essay prompt. Take your time to carefully decode the instructions and requirements provided by your professor or your lecturer. This is the foundation upon which your entire essay will be built. I like to start by highlighting the key terms and the phrases in the prompt, ensuring that I grasp the main topic and the scope and the specific questions or tasks that the essay should be addressing. Understanding the prompt is like setting coordinates for your journey. Without it, you might get lost in the way. Essay instructions often contain key terms and phrases that are important to understand. Those include action verbs like analyze, compare, contrast, discuss, or evaluate, which indicate the type of response that is expected. For example, if the instruction says analyze the impact of climate change on the coastal communities, you know that you are expected to examine the effect of climate change specifically on coastal communities. Next, I make sure I understand the main topic or the theme of the essay. This is the central idea or concept that the essay will revolve around. It might be a historical event, a literary work, or a scientific theory, or any other subject. Knowing the main topic is crucial because it guides your research and the focus of your writing. The scope of the essay refers to the boundaries of the discussion. How broadly or narrowly should you approach the topic? If the prompt is about the impact of technology on society, you need to decide whether you address the entire societal impact or you focus on a specific aspect, like the effect of communication or education or privacy. This scope will determine the depth and the breadth of your essay analysis. Many essays instruction contain specific questions or tasks that you must address. This could be as simple as discuss the disadvantages and the advantages, or more complex such as compare and contrast two historical figures' contribution to a civil rights movement. Ensuring that you understand the specific task is important because your essay structure and content will revolve around them. Once you have cracked the code of the essay prompt, it's time to gather credible sources. In today's digital age, information is abundant, but not all sources are credible or equal. To secure that A+, you need to ensure the reliability of your research material. I prefer to begin with academic databases, library sources, peer-reviewed journals. These sources are usually trusted in the academic circle. You can access peer-reviewed articles, academic papers that have been thoroughly vetted for accuracy and quality. Databases like GSTOR, PubMed, and Google Scholars are excellent places to begin your search. The advantages of using these sources is that they have undergone a rigorous review process, making them highly credible and relevant in your academic pursuit. Additionally, I look for books and articles written by reputable authors in the field. Remember, the quality of those sources directly impacts the quality of your essay. Before I get to the three remaining steps on writing an A+ essay, I'm just going to take this time and give you the chance to contribute towards this channel by clicking the subscribe button below. It is absolutely free, but it goes a long way in communicating with YouTube that the content in this channel is worthy to be pushed out to more people. So go ahead and click the subscribe button below, and thank you very much for your contribution and support. Your thesis statement is the heartbeat of your essay. It is the main point you want to convey, your argument, and your stance on the topic. It is crucial to make it clear, specific, and arguable. I spend time crafting my thesis statement, ensuring that it reflects the essence of my essay. It should be a concise summary of what you will be discussing in the essay. Don't rush this step. A well-crafted thesis statement paves a way for a strong essay. More on this at the end of this video. With a clear thesis statement in hand, it's time to create an essay outline. Think of this as the roadmap for your essay journey. It helps you to organize your thought and arguments cohesively. I structure my outline with the thesis statement as the central point. Then I break down the main supporting points and the subpoints that will contribute to my arguments. This visual representation of the essay structure keeps me on track and ensures that I have a logical flow. The introduction is where you make your first impression, and as they say, first impressions matter. A compelling introduction is your chance to hook your readers and set the tone for the entire essay. I often start with a captivating hook, which could be a surprising fact or a thought-provoking quote or a relevant story. Next, I provide some background information to give context to my topic. Finally, I state my clear thesis statement indicating the direction in which the essay will go. Crafting a powerful introduction sets the stage for a captivating essay. If you are getting any value from this video so far, then please give it a thumbs up. This will help me know whether the content I am creating is helpful to you or not, and if I should continue creating more content like this or switch it up a bit. If you want to help me even more, then drop me a comment down below about what was most valuable for you in this video and what kind of content would you like to see in the future. Achieving an A+ on your essay is not a matter of luck, but is a matter of careful planning and execution. This is why I have taken each step in this video and broke it down into more practical details to ensure that you know exactly how to execute each step to get that A+. If you want to execute this A+ essay writing strategy, then be sure to watch all these videos, also linked in the description down below. Now, click on the video that is appearing on the screen right now, because that is the video that you should be watching next for a step-by-step guide to perfecting your essay thesis statement for an A+ grade. I project to you love and grace in a way of 2 Corinthians 13 verse 14.